Hello, welcome to Chasing Diecast Cars. Got another shipment in from Japan, stuff I ordered in June at this website when they were having a sale. So let's take a look what is inside. I hope everything's okay because the box is a little bit dented, but these guys package their stuff very well, so pretty sure it's going to be all okay. Put the box to the side. Got this open. So first up we got the Subaru BRZ or BRZ in scale 1 to 60 in a blister pack. These blister packs were a little bit cheaper. I don't mind the packaging because I open it up anyway. This is also one that is available in the United States in these Walmart packagings, but they are much more expensive than the ones you can get from Japan. They're exactly the same, but you know, just a different packaging. So these have suspension. This one's got the more racing or sporty style wheels on it. Got the opening doors. Nice to see a little bit of black trim on top of the door painted. That's cool. It's got a plastic spoiler painted blue on the side and just black in the middle. Got the tail lights, diffuser as part of the base. So here's the driver's side door. And we got the tempoed headlights and the Subaru logo. I think this is part of the base too. Black grille. Very nice color, very nice model. Happy to add it to the collection. Then this one we're going to take a look at the end. And this one is a Lotus 311 159 scale. I had never seen this car before. This was new for 2018 apparently. So kind of cool to add to the Lotus collection. Official licensed product by Lotus. Yeah, there we go. So these always come in a baggie to protect them from rubbing against the cardboard. So here it is. This one also has suspension. So this basically has full tampos because it's got a side tampo here. It's got tail lights in the back, it's got stripes on top, and it's got headlights, Lotus logo, so painted black grille here. Tiny interior, two people snug next to one another, very wide doors, cool car. It says Lotus on the engine cover, nicely detailed. Black plastic spoiler, and this is black painted metal here, so that's cool that it's not plastic, it's actual metal all the way down here, and then the base starts right here, so that's cool. Also painted black here, the grills in front, nicely detailed. Never seen this car before. Cool addition. And then we got a Camaro. This was new for 2017. 166 scale. So I don't think Tomica does a lot of American cars. I've got the 4GT, the silver one. I think they do a Viper too. This is in a gloss black. Chevrolet Camaro 166 scale. So I got suspension. So I got these racing style wheels. Nicely detailed in the back. The Chevy bow tie, the taillights. It's got the ZL1 or ZL1 logo on the bumper. The left side. 4 exhausts that are actually casted into the metal. That's cool. So not part of the base. And a wing on the back, but not too big, just nice size wing. And then in the front, again, headlights, Chevy bow tie and ZL1, and even these small lights here down in the bumper. All metal front bumper too, all the way up to here. So that's cool. I like that there's a lot of metal. Oh, and here on this hood scoop, or whatever you want to call it, there's also the ZL1 written. It's got a little antenna on top here. Cool. Very cool model. Very nice. And then the last one for my hybrid and electric car collection. This was new for 2017. The Nissan Leaf in 163 scale. I got the white version by Matchbox 2. So I mixed 2 of them. So here's the race. He's got the classic wheels on it for the road cars. This one does have lensed headlights. That's a nice touch. Got the blue grille, Nissan logo, black painted grille part. Taillights. The Leaf name, logo, and then I don't know, 0 emission it says. And the blue line here, that is actually painted on also. So here the hatch in the back opens up just like the Prius I showed previously. And then got the blue roof, nice metallic blue. And the last one was not on sale, but I just had to grab it. Is a Tomica Premium, the McLaren Senna. Cool. McLaren Senna on the box. Senna is the registered trademark of Ayrton Senna Empreendimentos Ltda. Okay, interesting. There we go. And here it is. Very shiny base. 162 scale. It's printed on the McLaren Senna. This does not have suspension, but that's okay. So this got authentic rims, mimic the real ones. It's got some orange in the nose there. Headlights painted. This black part is all painted too. Then it's got the window piece in the door, so you can actually look inside. That's cool. That's a nice detail. And then seems like we're not getting any tail lights. It's too bad. I think my Hot Wheels version does have them, the tail lights, so that's a bit disappointing. It's got the blue on the side of the spoiler also. Middle part kind of a grey, it's not black. Dark grey color. The exhaust in the middle. Diffuser down here. It's got a little bit of more plastic to it, you know, this whole bumper piece is part of the base, so they're starting to add more plastic to their models too, it seems, just like the brands from the Mattel group. But all in all, I'm happy to add it to the collection. So I thank you very much for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe if you haven't already. Hope to see you again next time. Bye bye.